Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove text replacement on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down and click the Keyboard. Then after that, in the keyboards, find the text replacement, then tap. Then after that, in this part, if you want to delete this one, just click the edit located on the lower part of the screen. Then a negative sign will appear located on the side of the text replacement that you want to remove. For example, you want to remove hi. Then all you have to do is just click the negative sign. Then select the delete. And it's now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed text replacement on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!